Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to download and install Roblox on laptop. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. In order to download and install Roblox on your PC, first thing what you need to do is you need to open up the web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in the link that will be www.roblox.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and this is what the interface is going to look like. You can see in the top right corner there's an option as login. If you already have a Roblox account logged in on your mobile phone, then what you can do is you can simply click on login and enter your login credential. That includes entering your email address and your password, and then you'll be able to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account and want to create a new one, and you can see right in center there's a sign up page. So first thing, you need to provide your date of birth. After done entering your date of birth, you need to enter in or create a new username, and after that you need to create a password. Once you're done with the password, click on gender and you need to select the gender type. Go through these terms and conditions and then click on sign up. And next page, you'll need to provide your contact information, either your phone number or an email address. Once you provide your contact information, you'll be asked to verify it. So for that, and verification code will be sent to an SMS or an email. You need to type in there, and once you type in the verification code, you've verified your account, and then you've successfully signed up into a Roblox account. After you're logged into your account, you need to select the game that you want to play by clicking on it. You'll be able to see a list of options. All you need to do is just click on it. As you select the game, you need to click on the green play button, which is located right in between, and click on download and install Roblox, which is right in center. This will download and install the file on your computer. In the pop-up, you'll be able to see a statement, and under it there's an option as open Roblox. Just click on it and you're all set, and now you can start playing the game. And that is how you can download and install Roblox on computer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.